Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing good. So in my this video, I'm traveling to Minsk, Belarus from Delhi airport. It's morning 8 a.m. flight and I'm flying with Belavia airline. It's a direct flight from Delhi and it's like 7 hours 15 minutes journey. So first they serve cranberry juice, like they had other options also, but I chose cranberry juice, and then they gave some food to eat with some salad, bun, and chicken, like gravy with some rice. It was pretty good, but I don't know, this thing was very weird. I think it's like a local, I mean, they are local sweets, but personally, I didn't enjoy it. So finally landed to Ming city, and more than like what I have seen in the video, like I can't even explain. It's that beautiful. So this group was organized and planned by Mithilesh Backpacker. It's a international group tour. They were like 10 to 12 people. You must have seen his video, like he's been hosting like one more group tour. If you want, you can join him. We had like a fantastic time with him. Everything, like you'll get to see in my other videos. This was like a best trip so far. So we went to Dana Mall to buy sim and got into this gallery. We were already late, so we planned to have lunch before and then like buy sim. The place, the vibe, the people over here are so welcoming. I think anyone who is not planning to come to Belarus should definitely visit. It's more than like I'll say or I'll show in this video, like I'll do justice to it, or you see in the vlog. It's that beautiful. People, food, everything. I mean, everything is so good. It's like worth like visiting. And if you really want to join, you can contact Mithilesh Backpacker and directly, like he's the best host so far, like I have been with. Or else, if you want, you can message me. I can directly share you his WhatsApp group so that you can directly connect with him. He always made sure, like we should get Indian food, as it's always first preference. But at this place, like we wanted to try their cuisine, so everything is quite similar to our flavors. And there were like multiple options, like multiple options to choose with. We enjoyed our food, it was yum. And then as we all were tired, we went to a hotel. So yeah, that was all about this video. I hope you like it. If you do, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, keep watching like next video. I'll keep updating all my journey. That's our group.